monkey face. Poor baby. Oh, you are really stuck. What did you do? Oh, God. You're the funniest thing ever. Are you stuck again? Why don't you just stay away from the side? Go get me. He's a chicken. He's a chicken. Ah! Booger, I can't see you if you do that. I can't see you. Oh, you're the cutest thing. Ah! Alright, that's enough because I can't see you anymore. I'm going this side.